So if you can see behind me, you'll see the tube station. That's the London Underground station for Leicester Square. And this is where Chinatown is located. So this time, China America Radio is going on the road to London, and we're going to do a walking tour of London's Chinatown. So hang with us. This Chinese gate was relatively new. It was placed here in 2016. A gift from a number of organizations, including the City of Westminster and the Chinese Overseas Association. So as soon as we get out of the underground, the first thing we see is KFC. What would any Chinatown be without the KFC? Let's go walking now down Little Newport Street. Well, it's almost lunchtime, so we're going to take a little detour to Newport Court, and that's where everybody gets their Chinese lunch and sits outside and enjoys the food. Now, this street is called Newport Place, and it's another shopping street. We're going to be walking down. And as you can tell, the Chinatown neighborhood is very walkable, wide streets. Unfortunately, it's apparently when they're loading in all of their produce, so the streets are a little more crowded today. But fortunately, the weather has been quite warm, unseasonably warm, because it's already November, and it's still quite warm enough to sit outside and enjoy the weather, which many people are doing. Because China America Radio is online and not restricted in any way, we have a number of listeners here in the UK, perhaps some of them just within an arm's length of where we're walking today. And we're going to be promoting China America Radio to some of these business owners in London. We will be talking with some of them in the near future. Now here's something not a lot of Chinatowns have, certainly not New York, the casino. It wouldn't be a real Chinatown without the glazed ducks hanging in the window. There you are. Continuing down Newport Street. We've just come walking down Gerrard Street, and now, as we turn the corner, more shops, more stores, more red lanterns. And we are now on Wardour Street. In the gate to the London Chinatown, directly ahead. We're now walking down Lisle Street, part of London's Chinatown, and it seems to have everything here, including a KTV. In case you want to come sing along with your friends, as the sign says, book your party now.